listen but started how. Didn't have time to super blast and show some class. How to make sense of all that's happened. So bewildered, perplexed, twisted in the head. Oh, time is a merciless thief, stealing all that is bringing grief. Every tick of the line, every tock or sigh, caught in this race, so I must reply. How Capone is heartless, cruel you say. Methinks you got it all confused. It is a savage ticking off the clock. Every second checks the head, no pause for the muse. Oh, time is a merciless thief, stealing all and is bringing grief. Every hit, every line, every tock or sigh, caught in this race, so I must reply. Every change you minute I implore, wait on standby and cadence with you. Yet despite my adamant protestations, includes the minutes, hours, days of relentless queue. We'll drink the day, bracing frantics all the way. The clock refuses to stop, I flop and suffocate. Try to flip the calendar page ahead, only left to run underneath breathless air. But after that indifferent train, bearing only the strain, not letting its passengers to rest, re-energize, to align with its rhythm in this endless streets we rise. Hold wide